Hello and welcome to the alternate stitch. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, you will chain in an odd number of stitches. For row 1, place 2 single crochet in the third chain from hook. Skip 1 chain, then place 2 single crochets into the next chain. Repeat this until the end of the row. For row 2, you will chain 2 and turn. Skip the first single crochet, then place 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Skip the next stitch, then place 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Repeat to the end of the row. Repeat row 2 until the desired length, then fasten off and weave in your tails.